Hello everyone, this is Valentine from SheetGo. In this video, I will explain to you how to install and make use of our company OKRs templates. To access our templates, you simply go to app.sheetgo.com/templates. There we go. This brings us inside the SheetGo web application where you can find our many different templates that we provide. But let me show you a company OKRs, of course. By clicking the info button, we get some additional information on how the system looks like and what it is exactly. You might not be super familiar with OKRs. They are objectives by key results. So these are the long-term goals in your company that you want to achieve. And the key results, of course, is the way you achieve them, which measurable metrics you use for them. So this is how the system looks like. We have several spreadsheets per department, and these are combined in one folder. And there's a connection in place, a consolidation, a merge of this folder in the master spreadsheet, then for them to have a clear overview of the progress of achieving your company goals. But by clicking the install button, we will see how it looks like. There we go. SheetGo has now created the system inside your Google Drive. So here we can see the key results folder that is consolidated into the master spreadsheet company OKRs. But let's click on open folder to take a look at it from inside our drive. Here you can see the departments folder and your master spreadsheet to have a clear overview. In the departments folder, you'll find the different departments, support, sales, marketing, HR, finance, and education. If you need to add more, you can do so by simply copying one of these spreadsheets, renaming them, and make sure to store them in this same folder. Let me open support to show you how it looks like. So you start with some initial instructions on how to make use of this template, but let me show you. You simply go to the Team Objectives tab where you can select the time frame that you want to set this goal for, in which quarter, in what year. Then you set your objective, of course, so where do I want to go, what do I want to reach. And then in the Key Results tab, you will find an automatic drop-down that populates from the Objectives tab, and you select what objective this is for. How you're going to measure it, with what key results, who needs to achieve that goal, and yeah, of course, the metric and your start value, the target value, your goal, and in the checkup, you put here how far you already are, and then this will automatically calculate your progress. Each department also has their own nice dashboards to have a clear overview of your actual progress, how far your team has already reached to getting the goals. You can personalize it a bit more by putting your own company logo, and of course you can select the time frame here. You will see the progress per owner and of course the total average progress versus the desired progress. Once every department has filled this out, you can go back to your web application in your workflow of company OKRs. By clicking the arrow, it will automatically update the connection and consolidate all the information coming from the different department spreadsheets into the master spreadsheet to have a clear overview of your entire team's progress when it comes to OKRs. Let me open the master file to take a look at it. So we are now in the master spreadsheet company OKRs, where you also will have some instructions on how to use this template, how to expand, and a tip in order to have some automatic connections. For example, if you want to expand this template with your sales information, and if you want to have this automatically updated, it's our premium feature, of course, of SheetGo. You can simply go to our SheetGo community as well to have your personal requests and questions there. I will put the link to that community in this description, so don't hesitate to contact us, of course. So here you have the instructions. You see the entire team's objectives and key results in these tabs. But of course, the most important thing is your company OKRs dashboard. Also, again, personalize it with your own logo. You choose the time frame in this drop down, and then you have your actual progress here in this very nice visual metric. You have your progress per department, your total average progress versus desired progress, and then, of course, the key results that had made the most progress and the least. So this is a very easy and most of all structured way to make sure that your company gets to where it wants to go, to motivate your employees, And to do so, I have another very cool tip. This dashboard, as all of our dashboards in our templates, you can simply show them in your company on a big screen by publishing this to the web and copying the link. This will motivate your team even more. So make sure to do so. And if you have any questions about this template or anything else, please comment below and make sure to watch our other videos. Thank you.